hands, ears, and eyes.
A body so nice. But
Anong kaya ko nga?
Makinig ka sa akin dahil ako ang nanay mo.
Ang agad mo! Alam ko nga sa'yo!
Walang bintang babae ka. Ayaw mo mapagalaw.
Ba?
Why being discriminated? Why being violated?
We are human too.
We are women. We don't deserve to be violent by men. We can report you to the police. We are